Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well. Myself Urmila madam, your biology teacher. Dear students, you know very well due to this pandemic situation, still schools and colleges are not open. To cover up the syllabus, Education Department of Maharashtra declared 25% reduction in syllabus of each subject. So hereby I made this PPT to let you know which different topics are to be reduced from each lesson of biology. These reduced topics or this reduced syllabus will not be evaluative for HSC board examination 2020-21. In this PPT you will come to know the number of lesson, the name of the lesson and the different topics which are to be reduced from that particular lesson. So let us see lesson number 1, reproduction in lower and higher plants. Reduced syllabus is topic 1.1, asexual reproduction. Lesson number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals. Reduced syllabus is topic 2.1, asexual reproduction in animals. Lesson number 3, inheritance and variation. Reduced syllabus is no syllabus is reduced from lesson number 3. It means entire lesson number 3 is kept for your study. Lesson number 4, molecular basis of inheritance. Reduced syllabus is no syllabus is reduced from lesson number 4. It means lesson number 4 entire lesson is kept for your study. Lesson number 5, origin and evolution of life. Reduced syllabus is topic 5.1, origin of life. 5.2, chemical evolution of life. 5.3, organic evolution. 5.4, Darwinism. 5.5, mutation theory. Topic 5.7, mechanism of organic evolution. 5.8, Hardy-Weinberg principle. Topic 5.9, adaptive radiation. Topic 5.11, speciation. And topic 5.12, geological timescale. Lesson number 6, plant-water relation. Reduced syllabus is topic 6.4, absorption of water by root from soil. 6.5, water potential. Topic 6.6, plasmolysis. Topic 6.7, patch of water across the root. 6.8, mechanism of absorption of water. Topic 6.9, translocation of water. Topic 6.10, transport of mineral ions. Topic 6.11, transport of food. And topic 6.13, structure of stomatal apparatus. Lesson number 7, plant growth and mineral nutrition. Reduced syllabus is topic 7.1, plant growth. 7.2, phases of growth. Topic 7.3, conditions for growth. 7.4, growth rate and types of growth. Topic 7.5, growth curve. 7.6, differentiation, dedifferentiation and redifferentiation. Topic 7.8, plasticity. Topic 7.10, photoperiodism. Topic 7.11, vernalization. And topic 7.12, mineral nutrition. Lesson number 8, respiration and circulation. Reduced syllabus is topic 8.5, modified respiratory movements. Topic 8.16, angiography, heart transplant and silent heart attack. Lesson number 9, control and coordination. Reduced syllabus is topic 9.6, human nerve system, topic 9.7 sensory receptors, and topic 9.15 types of reflex action. Lesson number 10 human health and diseases. Reduced syllabus is no syllabus is reduced from lesson number 10. Dear students, keep in mind no syllabus is reduced from lesson number 10. It means entire lesson is kept for your study. Lesson number 11 enhancement of food production. Reduced syllabus is topic 11.2 plant breeding, 11.3 flow chart for tissue culture technique, topic 11.4 single cell protein, and topic 11.6 animal husbandry. Lesson number 12 biotechnology. Reduced syllabus is no syllabus is reduced from lesson number 10. Here once again keep in mind entire lesson number 12 is kept for your study. No syllabus is reduced from lesson number 12. Lesson number 13 organisms and populations. Reduced syllabus is no syllabus is reduced from lesson number 13. Like lesson number 12, entire lesson number 13 is kept for your study. No syllabus is reduced from lesson number 13. Lesson number 14 ecosystem and energy flow. Reduced syllabus is topic 14.1 ecosystem, 14.2 energy flow, 14.3 ecological pyramids, topic 14.4 nutrient cycles, and topic 14.6 ecosystem services. And the last lesson is lesson number 15 biodiversity, conservation and environmental issues. Reduced syllabus is topic 15.7 environmental issues, 15.8 greenhouse effect and global warming, 15.9 ozone depletion, and topic 15.10 deforestation. So dear students, have a look on this entire reduced syllabus. Concentrate on your studies. Stay safe, stay blessed. Best of luck.